Police conduct a traffic stop on a driver who was spotted drinking a small liquor bottle and driving erratically.
Just watched this female take a liquor shot. Got a tenant tag. She about swerved into me.
At 8:20 a.m.
How you doing? Don't light up a cigarette. Put that out.
Yes.
Turn the car off.
What happened?
I'm stopping because I saw you just drink that liquor bottle, the shot. Yep, saw you put it in your mouth and tilt your head back.
Okay.
Where'd you put the shot at?
Do you have warrant?
I'm stopping you because you had unlawful tag cover. It's
What
tinted.
tag cover?
The tag cover over your plate that's tinted.
No.
Obstructs the visibility of your plate. Plus, you can't be in possession of an open container while operating the vehicle.
No open container.
I saw you drink it.
I have.
It was a small shot-sized bottle. You put it in your mouth, tilt your head back. I saw the liquid go into your mouth, like a orangish or a yellowish liquor.
Okay.
And I can smell the alcohol.
Listen, this is what you're gonna do.
I don't think you're going to tell me what to do. I need your driver's license, registration, and insurance. How much have you had to drink today?
Not enough.
Not enough. Come on out after you grab the document.
Please don't.
What do you
Okay.
mean?
For one,
No. Grab your driver's license, your
You
registration
grab
and
my-
insurance, and step on out of the vehicle.
I'm calling my husband now before I get out the car.
No, I need you to grab your
No,
registration.
no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
I'm calling my husband.
Step out.
No, you have my license.
Now you're under arrest for
You're
battery.
touching me. What the? What the?
On your back.
What the?
Hands back.
Get your foot off my back. You had to put your foot on my back?
After you slap me, yeah.
I didn't slap you.
It's on camera. You're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer resisting. Step up.
How about that?
And by the way, this is the liquor bottle I saw you drink.
Go.
Put your butt up.
Go. Let me go.
No.
You ain't got to do me like this.
Step up. I'm trying to get you
I
off the
can't
ground.
step up.
But your legs in front.
I can't step up. You don't know my...
Put your legs in front of you. Step up.
Listen.
Walk over to the car.
No.
Stop.
What the did I do wrong?
Resisted me.
Get my... No.
Possessed an open container.
No.
While you're
What did I do?
operating your vehicle.
Listen.
With
I'm on the way home.
I don't care.
Listen.
Okay.
That was nothing.
On some 115 for battery.
Move. Give me my, I need to call my
You
husband.
ain't calling nobody.
Get my wallet off the floor.
Not right now. So,
Look, you were one of the ones. I have a lawyer,
Good.
Jason X.
Yeah.
Call him.
I don't need to.
Get off of me. Man, this is bullshit.
You're under arrest for battery on law.
The sequence opens with a call that, at first glance, seems routine. An unwanted guest reported at a local business. But as the officers arrive, the situation quickly deviates from standard protocol into a tense standoff marked by layered confrontations, conflicting perceptions of authority, and the subtle, yet significant, dynamics of compliance versus resistance. From the outset, the man they encounter is argumentative, belligerent,
Enforcement officer, resisting.
Because I touch you, you touch me.
Because you slapped me, yes.
I didn't slap
On
you.
camera. Right now, you calm down and relax.
Get off my arm. You choked me?
No, I'm pushing you against the car.
You don't have to hold your hand on me. I have constitutional
Considering you're resisting.
contrite. No, I want you off of me.
I don't care. You're not.
You don't
going
care?
Stay right there.
You ain't got to pull me like that.
I don't
You
think
ain't
you
got-
go anywhere, and you keep trying to pull your body off the car.
Listen, I want you off of me.
I don't care what you want. I'm telling you what to do. Stop
All right.
trying to pull your arm.
It was one shot.
It might have been. And if that was it,
That's it.
if you would have cooperated and done what
Yeah, you ain't got to do that. You ain't got to do this. Listen.
Not right now.
No, I can't see. Now you're violating my civil rights.
No, I'm not.
I can't see.
Stop.
Those are my eyeglasses.
Okay, well, I'm not going to lean over in front of you.
Those
After you've
are
already
my
battered me.
eyeglasses. You're stopping me from seeing. Sir, I want my eyeglasses.
Basically.
I want. How do you do this?
Yeah, just got a few use force, ripped her out of the car. She slapped my wrist after I told her to get out. She started resisting. About swerved into me, saw her drink there. Yeah, I'm fine. Like I said, you're under arrest. I'm going to tell you constitutional rights.
Can I have my My wallet is on the.
Okay, can you take your glasses on top of your head for me? All right, face me. So I'm going to check your eyes. See the finger? Here's what I'm going to have you do. I'm going to have you follow and track the finger. Finger is going to go back and forth in front of your vision. All I want you to do is
Just follow.
follow the finger, not
Next
your head.
time. Come on.
Understand?
Come on.
All right. Follow and track the tip of the finger. Don't move your head.
Good.
All the way up the corner.
Promise you. Good. Follow me. Hold me.
No, we're a little past that. How old are you?
50.
Okay. But no,
Can I just go home?
not right this second, okay? You just step right here for me.
Yes.
I want you to listen to the instructions, watch a demonstration, and then perform as instructed, okay?
And non-compliant, immediately creating a psychological environment charged with conflict. This is not merely a case of a citizen refusing instructions, it is a collision between perceived legal rights, personal boundaries, and institutional authority. Understanding the interplay of these forces is central to analyzing the escalation that unfolds. At the earliest moments of interaction, the officer's approach is methodical, attempting to establish control and set clear expectations. He seeks to confirm identification and outline the process of trespass, yet every procedural step is met with pushback. The man refuses to provide identification, questions the legality of the officer's commands, and attempts to assert his own autonomy. In these exchanges, we witness the first critical power struggle, the individual asserting personal agency against a formalized, legally backed authority. The tension lies not in overt violence, but in the collision of control frameworks of the officer's institutional mandate versus the individual's personal interpretation of his rights. This early friction.
While you listen, I want you to have a stand in a particular stance. So what I want you to do is put your left foot on the line, right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Left.
On the line, right foot in front, heel touching toe.
Okay, I can't do this on a normal basis.
I'll try it.
Okay.
Don't walk yet. I just want you to assume the stance.
Try back that way.
All right. So if you're going to try it, when I tell you to, not before, take 9 heel-to-toe steps down the line, okay? When you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot
And I
planted.
can go home.
I can't make any promises, and obviously you're already under arrest, okay? So like I said, when you hit number 9, leave the leader front foot planted. Not yet. Not yet.
I can't do it. Yo, hurt me.
Okay, you don't want to try it?
No, I have anxiety.
Okay.
I have anxiety. Look at my license.
I'm going to put you back in cuffs. Can you turn around for me?
No, yo, please call my husband.
Put your hands on your back for me. If you cooperate, I'll let you make some phone calls.
Okay, wait a minute.
Hold on.
I'll cooperate.
Well, then stop tensing
No,
your arm.
I'll cooperate. Don't touch me like that.
We're talking cooperation. You can just relax.
All right, so I'm going to charge you with DUI based upon you not being willing to complete the field sobriety test, okay?
No, because you didn't let me.
I've been asking you to. I'm going to ask you to.
I looked into the sun.
I'm going to ask you to take a breath test. Will you take that test?
My lawyer said not to do it.
Okay. If you don't take the test, it's going to result in suspension of your license for a period of 1 year.
I just got my
This
license
is your
back.
first refusal, or a period of 18 months. If you
I
have a
just
prior
got my
conviction on your
license
record
back.
for refusing a breath
know what? Just
blood,
take me to
urine
jail.
sample in the past.
Come on, just take
If
me
you
to
refuse a sample,
Just
you
take
do
me
have
to
a
jail.
prior suspension on your record for refusing a prior test from the past.
Listen,
Becomes a
I need to
misdemeanor.
call my lawyer first.
You don't have a privilege of
I'm
voluntary
not
breath
talking
test.
to anyone. I want to call my lawyer
You do have a prior
I'm
suspension
calling
on
my
your
lawyer.
record for refusing a prior
because he
test.
went. He's
Becomes a
in court
misdemeanor
today.
of
I
first
want
degree.
to call my lawyer.
If you don't take the test,
I want to call my lawyer.
against you in court, okay? If you've ever been fined for a boating under the influence statute for refusing a BUI test,
No. I know. Whoa. What the?
One or the other.
What the?
you doing this force?
What?
I'm gonna do
What's
that.
the nigga?
Um,
Oh no. Oh no.
Foreshadows the rapid escalation that is to follow. The officer demonstrates a disciplined restraint that is important to note. At multiple points, he reiterates his instructions calmly, clearly signaling the consequences of non-compliance while avoiding immediate physical intervention. This is a calculated tactic in law enforcement. Maintaining verbal control in high-stress encounters often serves both to de-escalate potential aggression and to document a clear chain of actions should legal review become necessary. The transcript highlights the constant oscillation between verbal assertion and physical enforcement, showcasing how officers navigate complex human behaviors while bound by the procedural and legal frameworks of their role. From the perspective of behavioral psychology, the man's responses reflect a combination of resistance to perceived authority and a heightened emotional state. He attempts to redirect the narrative, argues over technicalities, and repeatedly emphasizes his own interpretations of lawful behavior. This is not random defiance, it is strategic engagement with power, testing limits, and attempting to exploit ambiguities in procedure. Each instance of verbal resistance, whether questioning trespass authority or asserting that he was assaulted, adds layers of complexity to the officer's decision-making. Here, we see the anatomy of escalation. Minor refusals magnify into critical confrontations because both parties interpret the other's actions through a lens of challenge and defense. The officer's strategic insistence on securing the man's information before allowing him to leave is emblematic of procedural adherence. While it may appear rigid, this action is grounded in legal precedent. Once a business requests a trespass, officers are empowered to verify identity to prevent further incidents and document compliance. Yet, in the dynamic context of this encounter, even routine verification becomes a flashpoint. The man frames the procedure as coercive, claiming he was assaulted simply by the officer approaching, despite the absence of physical aggression at that moment. This interplay reveals how perception shapes escalation. The same action as standard procedural step can be interpreted as threatening, aggressive, or coercive depending on context, prior experiences, and emotional state. Another key layer emerges in the man's repeated references to personal circumstances, particularly his daughter and daily responsibilities. These declarations function as moral leverage and attempt to humanize his position while subtly challenging the legitimacy of the officer's enforcement. This tactic is significant in understanding real-world confrontations. It illustrates how civilians often employ personal context to resist compliance, appealing to shared human experience as a counterweight to institutional authority. The officer, however, remains focused on procedural fidelity, repeatedly framing compliance in legal terms and reinforcing the consequences of refusal. The tension is palpable. Human empathy and institutional obligation exist side by side, each shaping decision-making in profound ways. The escalation is punctuated by physical positioning and environmental factors. The man consistently attempts to move toward his car, creating spatial tension. Officers in such encounters must constantly assess proximity, threat potential, and opportunity for safe resolution. Every movement becomes a calculated risk. If the civilian steps away from the officer's visual control, potential for non-compliance or perceived threat rises. In the transcript, we see careful verbal attempts to redirect movement, establishing boundaries while keeping the individual within observable limits. This is a textbook example of spatial control in law enforcement, a crucial yet underappreciated aspect of officer-citizen interaction. We also observe the subtle psychological interplay in repeated questioning. The officer's methodical insistence on responses "did I do anything in your face?" serves multiple functions. It establishes a documented record, diffuses potential claims of unwarranted aggression, and maintains authority through calm verbal repetition. Meanwhile, the man's persistent challenges demonstrate a classic escalation pattern, testing the limits of compliance, framing ordinary actions as assaults, and attempting to provoke an overreaction. In analyzing bodycam footage, these verbal exchanges are as telling as physical confrontations, revealing power negotiation and the cumulative effects of minor provocations.